Oscar Pistorius will be able to race one more time at the Olympics after South Africa won an appeal to advance to the 4x400-meter relay final despite a crash in the heat. The double-amputee runner was on the track but didn't get to run in the heat Thursday because a teammate tumbled out after a collision with a Kenyan runner. The Kenyan team was later disqualified for impeding Ofentse Mogawane. South Africa, the silver medalists at the last World Championships, filed an appeal to be restored to the final. The IAAF says the South Africans will run in lane 9 after the jury met and agreed to advance the South African team, even though they did not finish the race, considering that they had been severely damaged in the incident with Kenya. Mogawane and Kenya's Vincent Kiilu tangled heading into the home straight of the second leg of the relay and the South African runner fell to the track, holding his shoulder in pain.